Hello friends, I am Akanksha Mishra. Welcome all of you here at TNV Academy. Today I will discuss the ISO 17025-2017 Laboratory Management System Lead Auditor Training Course. Now let us know what is ISO 17025-2017. The ISO 17025 is an international standard for testing and calibration laboratories. It was established with the aim of offering quality and improving the processes within the laboratories. Earlier, it was ISO 17025-2005, which was first version. Since the market conditions and technology have changed, and it has been upgraded to ISO 17025-2017. It covers technical changes, vocabulary, and developments in IT techniques. It also takes into consideration the latest version of ISO 9001-2015, ISO IEC 17025-2017 has two key clauses: management requirements, which are associated with the performance and efficiency of the quality management system inside the laboratory, and technical requirements, which focus on the competencies of employees, testing, methodology, equipment, and the test and calibration results. Now we will discuss the importance of laboratory management system. Becoming certified ISO IEC 17025 lead auditor demonstrates your commitment to implement the requirements of this standard. As a certified lead auditor, you will enable laboratories to demonstrate they operate competently and are able to generate valid results. As a matter of fact, many organizations have started to offer contracts only to certified professionals and laboratories, as the majority of customers prefer to receive services from certified labs, consequently enabling you to maximize your earning potential. Being an ISO 17025 certified professional, you will be able to understanding the requirements and scope of the ISO 17025-2017 standard. Now, how to meet the requirements of ISO 17025-2017? How to monitor and continually improve quality control processes, improve your reputation, offer proficiency on improving work processes, offer more reliable and efficient lab testing and results, achieve customer reliability. Now we are going to explain you what is learning objectives. TNV ISO 17025-2017 training course will provide you to understand the requirements and scope of the ISO 17025-2017 standard, and to understand the concepts, approaches, methods, and techniques used to implement a laboratory management system. You will also understand the basic elements and process of a laboratory management system. Now let us know who should attend the ISO 17025-2017 Lead Auditor Training course. Professionals responsible for testing and calibration practices in laboratories across all sectors. ISO 17025-2017 Implementation Teams. Individuals seeking to gain knowledge about the main processes of laboratory management systems. And this training program is good for anyone who is willing to job in laboratories. Let us know the time duration and training agenda. TNV offers 5 days, total 40 hours training program, and that is 8 hours per day. Day 1, Introduction to ISO IEC 17025 and Initiation of our LMS. Day 2, Plan the implementation of our LMS. Day 3, Implementation of our LMS. Day 4, LMS monitoring, measuring, continuous improvement, and preparation for accreditation. Day 5, Certification exam. Global recognition. We would also like to brief about recognition of TNV training certificate. TNV is a training agency which is approved by Exemplar Global, and currently TNV has 81 approved training courses which is recognized on global basis. The ISO 17025-2017 training program is one of them, and it has global recognitions. Every participant who attends the training and qualifies the examination gets a training certification from TNV Institute with an Exemplar Global emblem. Any candidate who qualifies the lead auditor course developed by TNV is eligible to be enrolled as lead auditor with any certification body subject to fulfillment of other requirements like educational certificate and working experience. How do I get started with ISO IEC 17025 training? If you are willing to take the challenge of obtaining a ISO IEC 17025 certification, our experts will ensure a qualitative experience where your needs will be met and you will become part of a global network family. Contact us to start with the first step. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.